parentages, families, listing variations. All of these are the causes of many headaches for Amazon sellers. But in this video, I'm going to simplify all of that and show you how you can best utilize variations and also some of the common mistakes that other Amazon sellers are making and how you can avoid them. We are the Amazon Whisperer, a boutique full-service Amazon account management agency helping to streamline your operations and grow your sales through SEO, PPC, click-through rate, and conversion rate optimization. Not only that, but we also handle all of the day-to-day management of these simple tasks that happen in your account all the time. We are guided by proven systems, driven by data, implemented by experts, and focused on your growth. Simply put, a family is a collection of different products that are sold under one single listing. This is a very common tactic if you are selling a product that has different size variations, different flavors, different unit counts, or even just different models. By using a family or a variation, you are giving customers more options to choose from and therefore covering all of the different bases. Imagine that you are selling a sweatshirt. You would need both size and color. This is so that someone can shop for a small one, but then they can also choose it in red, or they could be shopping for an extra large sweatshirt and they could choose it in white. By using a family, unlike a standalone listing, you can have all of these options together. It can make the overall customer experience a lot cleaner when they have all those different options on one listing, rather than having to click across lots of different listings to find the one that they are looking for. There is no limit to the amount of variations that Amazon allows you to have in your family. You can have as many as you need. However, one thing to note is that if you add too many variations, it can sometimes add friction to that customer journey and can even result in them clicking off and going to a competitor instead. But we'll cover that in more depth later in this video. When you are managing a variation listing in Amazon Seller Central, there are two very important terms that you need to know. The first one is the parent ASIN and then the child ASIN. The parent ASIN is technically not a physical product. It's just a virtual product that holds all of the child ASIN's information in one place. Because a parent ASIN is not a physical product, you do not need a UPC when you are creating it. But now moving on to child ASINs, these are essentially the standalone Amazon listings that come together as the variations. They still require all the same things as a standalone listing, such as a UPC, their title, all the shipping information, price, etc. This variation is what a customer would actually purchase when they visit the listing. When setting up a family of products, you would need to decide what type of variation you want to offer. Amazon lets you choose many different things here. It can be something such as color, size, weight, how many pieces are included, or even just model number. Certain variation types allow you to use two different ones together. Like in that sweatshirt example, or for any other clothing, you need to be able to offer sizes and colors together. When you're choosing what type of variation you need to set up your listing as, it's very important that you choose the correct one, as Amazon is very strict about this. If you set up a variation listing incorrectly, Amazon can suppress it. This results in your listing not being searchable and customers are not able to purchase anything from it. Once you have selected what variation option you are going with, you'll need to fill out all of the child ASIN's information. This is going to include your UPC, your title, your pricing, your shipping information, and then all of the backend keywords as well. Once those child ASINs are live on Amazon, you can go into the backend and update everything such as the bullets, the descriptions, and all the other backend fields. An excellent SEO hack that many people overlook is that when you have a family of different products, the ranking of all of the child ASINs combines together to increase the overall rank of the parent. Because of this, you can target different subsets of keywords in each child ASIN. Say for example, you're selling a chalk bag that can be used for both climbing and weightlifting. On child ASIN A, you can focus all of those keywords on weightlifting, but then on child ASIN B, you can focus keywords on climbing. Both of those child ASINs will rank for those keywords that you have put in the listings, but then the parent ASIN benefits from both of them. Because of that, the parent ASIN will be searchable for phrases relating to weightlifting and chalk bags, as well as rock climbing and chalk bags. When it comes to advertising families and variations through PPC, you don't want to advertise the parent ASIN. You want to rather advertise the child ASIN. This gives you far more control over your PPC campaigns, and it allows you to target more specific keyword phrases and search terms. If you're selling apparel and you have different sizes and colors that you're offering, you would want to be able to target all of those different keywords. You would want to target a small sweatshirt in red as well as a search for a large sweatshirt in pink. That is not something that you can do efficiently when you are just advertising the parent product. By advertising the child ASIN, that specific product is going to show up in the PPC placement. So someone will be seeing that small sweatshirt in red, or they will see the large sweatshirt in pink. When someone clicks on that child ASIN ad and they place an order, the overall rank of the entire family will increase. We touched on it earlier how you don't want to add too many variations to your listing because this adds friction to the customer journey. Sometimes you can overwhelm a customer by offering them too many different variations, and because of this, they can end up clicking off of your listing and going to a competitor and ending up purchasing their product. Because of this, you should always consider if you should just have one single family or if you should break it into two different families. A good example for this would be if you're selling sweatshirts and you decide that you're going to offer lots of different colors for the standard sizes of small, medium, large, and extra large, but then for XXL and XXL, you're only going to offer black. If all of those different sizes were on the same family, if someone were to select that XXL, the only color option that would show up would be that black color. All of the other color options would be grayed out and show as unavailable. This creates a bad customer experience because it looks like you just don't have stock of those different colors. What you would rather want to do is break it out and have that one family with all the regular sizes and all the different colors you're offering, and then other family with the two larger sizes just in black. This simplifies the entire process and makes those listings look cleaner as well. By limiting those purchasing options, it can sometimes make the decision to purchase a lot easier for the customer. After all, you don't want the customer to have to think too hard about what they're going to buy. You want the entire process to be as streamlined and as simple as possible. Setting up families and variations on Amazon is an advanced strategy that requires an immense amount of know-how as well as time to get it done properly. You will spend hours going through the different feed files, getting everything set up, uploading them into Amazon just to be told that there are tons of errors and your listings cannot be created. And it only gets harder when your families are broken up and you end up with orphaned child ASINs that are no longer connected to the parent ASIN. Here at the Amazon Whisperer, we've been managing Amazon accounts and growing sales for over half a decade. We have come up against every single different variation issue you could possibly think of. If you want someone in your corner of the ring who can speed up your Amazon account growth and make sure that you don't have any of these issues, go to the link in the description down below to schedule a free consultation call with us today.